What if, in the grand scheme of the cosmos, life and death are not the beginning and end, but merely transitions, parts of an eternal journey? This thought-provoking concept invites us to re-evaluate our understanding of existence. Welcome to the Sacred Science, a realm where we explore these philosophical questions with a scientific lens, yet with reverence for the spiritual insights provided by Vedic philosophy. The exploration begins with a question, a what if that challenges the conventional understanding of life and death. It's a philosophical inquiry, daring us to consider the possibility that our existence isn't confined to the parameters of birth and death. Could it be that we're part of an infinite cycle, a series of transformations that go beyond our current comprehension? The concept isn't alien to various religions and cultures around the world, yet it's a premise that science is just starting to explore. Science and Vedic philosophy, two seemingly disparate worlds, both delve into the mysteries of life and death, each with their unique interpretations and methods. They stand at two ends of a spectrum, connected by the shared curiosity to understand the nature of existence. While science relies on empirical evidence and systematic analysis, Vedic philosophy takes a metaphysical approach, contemplating life and death from a spiritual perspective. From a scientific perspective, life is a complex process, a result of atoms and molecules interacting in intricate ways. It's an astonishing spectacle of nature that happens at a microscopic level. Biologists define life using 7 characteristics: responsiveness to the environment, growth and change, ability to reproduce, having a metabolism and breathing, maintaining homeostasis, being made of cells, and passing traits onto offspring. These traits offer a comprehensive definition of life from a biological perspective, yet they only tell part of the story. Science sees life as a physical and biochemical event. It's an intricate dance of elements that result in a living, breathing organism. It's an orchestra of biological processes that, when working in harmony, result in the miracle we call life. It's a cosmic coincidence that brings matter to life, transforming it into an entity capable of thought, emotion, and creativity. Death, on the other hand, is when these processes cease to occur. It's a concept that evokes fear, sadness, and human psyche. It's the end of life, as defined by science. It is when the heart stops beating, the cells stop dividing, and the electrical impulses in the brain fade away. This termination is seen by science as an irreversible event, a full stop that signifies the end of a life cycle. Yet, is it truly the end or merely a transition, a metamorphosis into a different state of existence? Science is yet to provide a definitive answer to this mystery. The question persists, leading us on a quest for answers that takes us beyond the confines of known science. In a nutshell, death is seen as a full stop, an irreversible termination of all biological functions. Yet, as we venture deeper into the realm of sacred science, we are compelled to question this interpretation. Could there be more to life and death than what meets the eye? Could they be mere transitions in an eternal journey, parts of an infinite cosmic cycle? What if, in the grand scheme of the cosmos, life and death are not the beginning and end, but merely transitions, parts of an eternal journey? Now, let's pivot to the Vedic view of life and death. The Vedas, ancient Indian scriptures, see life and death in a markedly different light. According to Vedic philosophy, life is not merely a physical event, but a spiritual journey. The Vedas teach that the soul, or Atman, is eternal. It's not born nor does it die. It exists beyond the realm of time and space. Death, in the Vedic perspective, is merely a transition. It is the soul shedding its physical form, like a snake sloughing off its old skin. The soul, unbound by the constraints of the physical body, continues its journey, taking on new forms in a cycle of birth, death, and rebirth known as samsara. So where does that leave us? On one side, we have science, with its empirical data and tangible evidence, painting life and death as biological phenomena. On the other side, we have the Vedic philosophy, with its metaphysical concepts and spiritual wisdom, viewing life and death as stages in the soul's eternal journey. These perspectives, though seemingly at odds, both offer valuable insights into the mysteries of life and death. Science gives us a framework to understand the physical world, the biological processes that make us alive. The Vedic philosophy, on the other hand, offers a spiritual lens, a way to make sense of the intangible aspects of existence. the metaphysical reality beyond our physical senses. In conclusion, life and death are complex, multidimensional phenomena. Our understanding of them is enriched when we look at them from different perspectives. Whether viewed through the microscope of science or the lens of Vedic philosophy, life and death remain fascinating subjects laden with mystery and meaning.